I'm going to start making my barbecue sauce. For this, I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of butter. Let it warm up. I'm going to put a small onion in and saute it until it's translucent. Stir in occasionally. This sauce can only not be used in barbecues, it can also be used in different sandwiches. You can use it as a condiment. Cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes on a low to medium heat. We don't want to burn them, but just saute them until they are transparent. When I see that they are transparent, I'm going to crush 2 garlic cloves in it. I'm going to crush the garlic in. Fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. I can smell the garlic now. I'm going to add ketchup. This is half a cup. Lower the heat. I'm going to add half a cup of brown sugar. Two tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Worcestershire sauce. Let it cook on a low flame. Half a teaspoon of hot sauce. One teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper freshly ground, 2 teaspoons of mustard powder, and 3/4 of a cup of water. I'm going to cook it for say 8 to 10 minutes on very low flame. I'm going to let it simmer until I am happy with the consistency of the sauce. I'm not going to use any thickener to it. This is done now. Cool it down before pouring it into a bottle.